If you've just installed Warzone 2 or Modern Warfare 2 through Steam, and you used to play the Call of Duty games using the Battle.net app, you might have noticed if you go onto the store, you no longer have all your points. So at the moment I only have 200 COD points, but I actually have a lot more than that, which means I cannot actually purchase the Battle Pass at the moment because I don't have enough points. The reason for this is if you used to play Call of Duty through the Battle.net app, it's actually separate to Steam version of Call of Duty. However, there is still a way to get the COD points that you did originally have and then purchase the Battle Pass, which is what I will be showing you how to do in this video. So like I said, at the moment I only have 200 COD points. So the first thing that you need to do is just simply close down Modern Warfare 2 or Warzone 2. So close down the Steam version of the game. And once you've done that, you now need to install the Battle.net app to your computer. And once installed, you then need to download and install Call of Duty Warzone 2. So as you can see, I've currently got the Battle.net app open and I've also installed Warzone 2. So you now need to go ahead and launch the game. So now that I'm on the Battle.net app version of Warzone 2, if I go across to the store, you can see that I've got my 1100 COD points, which I can now use to purchase the Battle Pass for Warzone. So if I go across to Battle Pass, and if I then click on to buy Battle Pass, I can now select Battle Pass on the right hand side here, and then use my COD points to purchase the Battle Pass. So once I click on confirm purchase, as you can see, the Battle Pass is now active on the Battle.net app version of Warzone 2. So if I now close this down, also on the store you can see all my COD points are now gone. If I close this down now and then open up the Steam version of Warzone, now I have the Steam version of Warzone open. If I select Battle Pass, you can see the Battle Pass is active. And if I go to store, I still have the other 200 COD points that I had. So now the Battle Pass is active, I can go ahead and earn the COD points onto the Steam version of Warzone, and they won't be added onto the Battle.net app version. So I've just claimed the A1. If I now go on to A3, and if I claim the COD points, and then go back and go to store, you can now see that I've got 300 COD points, showing that now the COD points are being transferred onto the Steam version of Warzone. So that does now bring me to the end of this video. I know it's a bit frustrating having to activate the Battle Pass on the Battle.net app version and install Warzone, but unfortunately at the moment that's the only way around doing this. So I hope this video did help you out and you enjoyed it. If you did like the video, click the like button below, and if you'd like to see another computer sluggish video, then click that subscribe button. If you do subscribe, then I will see you in the next video.